In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer the primary admin role in QuickBooks Online when the usual method fails. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online using an account that has the right level of access. Make sure you are logged in as an accountant or a global admin. This matters because only certain roles can change administration settings and handle the primary admin assignment. When you are ready, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard so you can easily navigate to the correct menu. Next, look for the Settings area. In QuickBooks Online, you can usually find the settings icon as a gear symbol. Go ahead and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu, where you can manage users, teams, and permissions. Take a moment to scan the options so you are confident you are in the right place before selecting anything. From the settings menu, select the option for your team. The wording can vary slightly, but the key idea is that you are going to a screen that lists people associated with your organization. Click on your team to load the user management page. Once the page opens, you should see a list of users, typically showing their names and roles. This is where you will locate the specific person you want to assign as the new primary admin. Now find the user you wish to make the new primary admin. Take your time with this step, especially if you have multiple teammates. You can use the list to match the correct person by name. When you have identified the right user, you will see an option area next to their entry. Select the 3 vertical dots next to their name and click that menu. This is where QuickBooks places the role and admin actions for each user. In the menu that appears, choose the option to make them the primary admin. Look for the selection that says Make Primary Admin and click it. This action tells QuickBooks to switch the primary admin role to that user, which can be important for billing control, user management, and overall administration. After you select it, QuickBooks will typically ask you to confirm the change or apply it to your account. After selecting Make Primary Admin, you should see a way to confirm the update. Select Save to confirm the change. This final step ensures QuickBooks actually applies the role transfer. If you do not select Save, the change may not take effect, so it is important to complete this confirmation. Once you save, you can review the user list again to confirm that the primary admin designation moved to the intended person. Now, sometimes the usual method does not work as expected. For example, the option you need may not appear, or the system might not process the role transfer normally. If that happens, do not keep trying random clicks. Instead, use the built-in support tools within QuickBooks Online to get help with a manual role transfer. To contact support, use the Help icon, which is usually a question mark symbol. Click the Help icon and then follow the prompts to contact QuickBooks support. When you reach support, request a manual role transfer of the primary admin role. Explain that you attempted the standard method through Settings, Team, and the Make Primary Admin option, but it did not complete successfully. This helps support understand your context quickly and route your request correctly. Once you have submitted the request, remain available in case support asks for additional details to validate the change. After support processes the request, you can return to the team screen to confirm that the primary admin role has transferred to the correct user. And that covers everything you need to know.